You'll have love at first sight with the 2021 Nissan Altima. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Nissan Altima, the midsize sedan with available all-wheel drive and standard driver assist safety features. Its spacious, well-equipped cabin, flexible layout, comfortable ride, and sporty performance make road trips a joy. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, 4-cylinder engine, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, aluminum wheels, tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, traction control. Get into a family-focused sedan that knows how to have fun. This sporty Altima won't last long. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.